Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about two stocks that I hold in my growth portfolio that I hope to see continue to grow over the next few years going towards 2030. They are Apple and Tesla. So first, let's start with Apple. Let's talk about the significant developments at Apple that's catching the attention of investors, including Apple CEO Tim Cook's pay falling to $63 million. I think Tim will be okay. So, Cook recently experienced a notable drop in his annual compensation. His pay, which reached 99.4 million, took a significant pay cut, landing him at 63.2 million in the latest fiscal year. So, what led to this change and what does this mean for Apple investors? Just a quick breakdown. Cook's target compensation plummeted $49 million, a decrease of about 40% from the previous year. In spite of this, Cook's performance based stock awards increased to 75%. He earned $3 million base salary, 47 million from stock awards, 10.7 million from non-equity compensation, and 2.5 million in other compensation, which was mainly security costs. So, this past September, Apple's quarterly revenue hit a record for iPhone and an all-time revenue high for their services business. And some of the services include iCloud, Apple Pay, Apple Music, Apple TV. Also, in recent news, Apple has received 3 downgrades as we were coming into 2024. Some analysts expressed concern about weakness of iPhone sales and service agreements, regulatory issues, and patent issues, which have led to a ban of the latest Apple Watch. These are a few issues that may have led to the downgrade. So, as we started off 2024, the stock price went down about 4%. And on the month, we can see that Apple stock price is down 4.5%. While some analysts have concerns, others remain positive on the outlook of Apple, even suggesting that right now may be a buying opportunity. For example, an analyst at Morgan Stanley anticipates a strong 2024, citing potential impact of edge AI as well as new product launches, including the Vision Pro computing headset. So, Apple and Microsoft are $3 trillion companies. And just this week, Microsoft overtook Apple to become the world's most valuable company. We'll see what happens. Drop me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are on the outlook of Apple for 2024. So I've been investing into Apple for about 4 years now. And even with the slight pullback in the stock price, my Apple stock is still up over 26%. Now let's talk a little bit about Tesla, a stock that I am looking forward to seeing what it's looking like in my portfolio in 2030. Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer, has undergone a challenging decade, but it's earned its place as a blue chip stock. And recently, a billionaire investor, Ron Barron, shared his belief of the valuation of Tesla growing 4 to 5 times by the year 2030. So, to put things into perspective, Tesla is looking to increase their annual production 20 million units by 2030. Some are skeptical on this, thinking that this is too much of a challenge, but globally, there is a rise of the use of electronic vehicles. So this goal is achievable. Tesla has a strong cash flow and balance sheet to support any financial concerns. And they're looking to expand their production into markets like Indonesia and India. They're making sure to set themselves up for sustainable growth. Their commitment to innovation sets them apart from their peers. And I feel like just like Apple, they have a strong product loyalty. When people want an EV, most likely they want a Tesla. Every smartphone I've owned has been an iPhone. Once you have a loyalty to these brands, it can last a lifetime. In recent news, Tesla is raising factory workers' pay in the US following the UAW's victories in Detroit. So the UAW is the United Auto Workers. This move comes as Tesla is also facing mounting pressure to unionize. The UAW has been having some historical wins with other major automakers like Ford and General Motors. Tesla is rolling out the pay increases this month, but the union issue is facing resistance from CEO Elon Musk. From the perspective of the employees, the factory workers, this sounds like a great thing, increased wages. But from the shareholders' point of view, the goal is always to maximize shareholder wealth. With that, Tesla stock responded to these reports with a 2.9% dip on Thursday. Let's take a quick look at Tesla's stock price on the month, and it is down 7.65%. So the market is closely watching how these pay increases will impact Tesla's operations and its stance on unionization. Do you believe that Tesla is on track for significant growth by 2030? Are you holding Tesla and Apple stock long term? Let me know. What growth stock is in the number one position in your portfolio? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a great long weekend. Okay, bye.